happening YouTube? Here I am with another of my videos, and today I wanted to show you guys a product that I've been using for a long time on some of my projects. It's called POR15, which stands for Paint Over Rust. It's a product that I use in some, like I said, some of my projects in the past, and this is like the cure of cancer for cars, which is, you know, very big if you're into cars. I know a lot of people, they have a budget to completely sandblast the whole thing and get everything repaired and this and that. But I know some of you guys don't have that money. I'm one of those that doesn't have the budget to like completely get all these things taken care of, I guess in the proper way. But this product is really good, and I wanted to show you guys how I apply this product on my Porsche 914. It's a 1970, and I mean, like, I'm trying to rescue this car, and I wanted to show you guys these products, like I say, can really help you to save many cars, because a lot of people, they straight up will walk away from these cars, and these cars end up being just parts. And these products straight up can save you a lot of money. They can stop the rust from keep going, and yeah, it's a great product, and I wanted to show you guys where you guys can apply it, how can you apply it, some of the steps and that you need to do before you even applying it. And I have a clear example here, and I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so stick by and let's see if we can do this. Okay. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right here, this is the car that I'm working on, and I wanted to show you guys that only half of the car, which will be about from this line all the way around, it's being treated with another product that I'm going to show you guys. But the POR15, it's something that I use for the undercarriage of the car, as you guys can see right here. This paint, you can straight up paint it right over rust, and that's what's so good about it. Obviously you have to do some preparation, and the preparation comes with a cleaner degreaser, as you can see right here, and metal prep, some wire brushes so you can like flake off all the loose rust that's on your parts, whatever. So the thing is, you will dilute this with water to check the information behind. But yeah, you dilute it with water. If I'm not mistaken, it's 4:1. You will spray that, and you will start seeing a lot of the rust straight up like running off the metal, coming off of the metal. And this metal prep one will go right after, and this will turn your metal into like a darker color, like each is the primer, and it makes it, I mean the metal, and it makes it just ready for this paint to go on. And this paint, it's super strong. Please read all the information on how to handle it, but it takes all safety precautions like respirator, goggles, gloves, the whole deal. And yeah, so like after you prep your metal with these parts, I mean these items or these products, then you can paint, and then you can do all this that I did right here. Like I say, all this is like protected from rust now. The whole underneath of the body, as you guys can see back there too. And I want to show you guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but half of the car has been treated with another metal prep, which is Rust Mort. And this thing, it turns your metal into a workable surface where you can just either paint, primer, or put Banda on it. And yeah, you guys can see the difference in the metal. That side of the metal was treated with this, and this side of the metal haven't been treated at all. All these like runs are from like when I was cleaning the inside of the fenders and all that. All the water and all the splash start coming on this side, and yeah, so that's why you see all that. But in order to put this, what I do, I will sand all the metal again down to bare metal, trying to get rid of all this stuff, and then I just roll with the roller this stuff on it, and this is how it will turn. Any little some of this stuff is like black paint of the PR15 that came through like little pinholes that were in these weldings. This is how I pretty much got the car. All I add to this car, it was this piece of metal from here to about right here, because that was a part that was the most messed up. All these are pretty much all original weldings and stuff. And yeah, so as you guys can see, where there was some rust, it turned into like a black spot, which is telling you pretty much that rust will not grow again. So yeah, so the underneath, it's being treated with these products right here, Por 15, and the exterior is being treated with this. And this is before I'm doing body work on this thing, before I even put Bondo or anything like that. And yeah, so this will pretty much protect the metal from getting any rust, and you can go over your with your Bondo, in which I'm gonna throw a light skin of Bondo throughout the whole car. I know a lot of people don't like Bondo, but if you guys been following my videos, or if you want to know about this car, go check them out, and you will see that this car had a whole bunch of Bondo. And I mean, I'm gonna pretty much redo it, because I really did get the car because I like the body lines and I wanted to get those body lines again. So I'm gonna have to put a lot of Bondo, but I'm gonna do a lot less than what they did. As you guys can see, this is an area where I didn't even bother and like put in any of that product, although I put a little bit here just to see how it will turn. And you guys can see this is darker than this rust or that rust, so most likely I'm gonna have to replace the whole floor pan. So the underneath of that floor pan, it haven't been even painted with that Por 15, because like I said, it's gonna be cut off, so I don't want to waste material on that. So yeah, so the car, it's like halfway treated with this material for you guys to see how is the difference on the material and what they do. And yeah, so this is a clear example of those products on the situations where you can actually use them, because like I say, a lot of people just get scared when they see rust, because as you guys can see, this car is pretty rusted. The whole target piece was missing, and it was just raining and everything got messed up, as you guys can see. But I'm trying to do the best I can do. I'm pulling everything off because I really wanted to restore this thing properly. Like I say, I don't have the budget to really throw a whole bunch of money on getting it sandblasted and all these things. You know, I'm doing everything by myself, so this is pretty much the only way I can do it as of right now. I really would love it just to get it sandblasted, media blaster, and then get a putty primer by someone. But I'm doing all this in my garage, and you know, this is what I'm saying about these products. These products will allow you to work in your own garage. You don't have to be so noisy for your neighbors or anything, because you're not sanding or grinding the rust off. This car, obviously I got it all done to bare metal, and yeah, my neighbors, they probably did hate me for a minute, but it's all good now. And I'm not thinking in painting this car here or anything, you know, just like the process I'm doing as of right now. But yeah, let me show you on this side. This is all PR15. You guys can see that. You know, right here, this area right here, don't think that the paint didn't stick or anything. I sanded it, but it was kind of dark here, so I missed a spot there. But I actually had like 2 coats in all the areas where I really thought it was gonna get really bad. So I really was more worried about those area, that area right there. You know, there's even like the original paint underneath, so it's like whatever. But I did sanded it with 80 grit, the whole like wheel, the wheel fender, whatever, inner fender. I sanded it with 80 grit so I can have a nice surface for the rest of the paint to stick. The whole inner fender didn't really need to be painted. I only painted it because I wanted to have like a nice even color all underneath. You guys can see, same thing with this. Right here I have heavy rust that needs to be repaired, and like I said, I didn't even bother in painting that area just because I'm gonna fix the metal and then I treat the metal underneath or from behind. But yeah, so I guess this is it, guys. Please believe in these products. Like I said, I'm not getting paid by them, but I do believe in these products because I had used them in the past and they had worked for me, and I don't see why they will not work for you. If you do it properly, they should be kicking butt with no problems. Alright guys, so I guess this is it for my video. If you guys really wanted to see this car finished, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification so you can see videos when they are coming up. If you like to do bodywork and bundle, those are the videos that are coming up soon. So if you wanted to learn a little bit on doing bundle and bodywork, well, subscribe and I can try to teach some people, or show some people mainly, I guess, on how I do things. As you guys can see, a lot of people won't think this is a professional job or anything like that, but you know, I guess there is people for all kinds of situations. Alright, and this is my situation. This is the Moonfog garage situation. And thank you to all of you guys for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you, and I'll see you guys next time, okay?